Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. The Github HTML preview extension allows users to visualize HTML files directly within the Github platform, enhancing the experience of reviewing and sharing web content. To utilize this extension, users must first install it from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, it adds an option to preview files in a new tab, transforming plain text into a rendered format that closely resembles how the content will appear in a web browser. This functionality is particularly useful for developers and content creators who need to review their work without leaving the Github environment. Additionally, the extension supports various features like and JavaScript rendering, enabling comprehensive previews of web projects. Users can easily toggle between the code and preview views, streamlining the workflow and facilitating collaboration among team members. Overall, the Github HTML preview extension is a valuable tool for anyone working with HTML on the Github platform.